Pinoy horror stories. We lived with a for 2 to 4 weeks. Medyo long story, we lived with my tita, who's basically a recluse. Di ko siya 100% ka-close during the time, pero I have fond memories of us playing when I was a kid. Rumors started circulating around her being a witch, and madalas na namin siya nakakasalubong na may kausap or sinisigawan. We lived with her pretty much ever since I was born until I was in high school. One time, lumipat kami ng bahay. Yung area pretty much had an infestation of rats, big ones, cat-sized ones, so normal lang yung dead rat smell. For kami sa 2-story apartment na maliit, 2 bedrooms. Kaming tatlo ng parents ko sa master's bedroom, then tita ko sa guest bedroom. Yung ilalim ng door niya, yung space sa ilalim na pwede mo suotan ng papel or letters, saktong head height siya pag paakyat ka ng hagdan since nakaharap yung door niya sa side ng stairs. Kaming tatlo may pasok siya wala, so madalas salisihan lang kami, pero may times nakikita namin siya lumabas ng kwarto para bumili ng food niya sa labas. One day napansin ni mama parang di siya lumalabas and may amoy patay na daga every time umaakyat kami. This lasted for a week at least, hanggang kinutuban na sila, since hindi niya din kinukuha yung mga food and money na pinadala ng grandparents ko for her. Then came that day, tumawag ng barangay para i-check, sinira nila yung pinto, and then there she is, rotting for at least 2 weeks. Nilabas na nila ako that time para di makita, pero narinig namin yung description nung isang tanod. Graphic warning. Wala na siyang eyelids, tenga, saka lips kasi kinain na ng daga sa kamagots. Nakapanti lang siya and naka-Indian sit sa unan, suot niya mga alahas niya, and nakaipit sa garter ng panty yung mga naunang pera na pinadala para sa kanya. SOCO came to investigate. They estimated she's been dead for around 2 to 4 weeks IIRC.